put in no teeth.
And dentist.
Yeah, dentist and everything.
No, I'm not dentist. I have a teeth already.
Get some nice pretty white. But her teeth is here. Just get out of my teeth.
I have my teeth inside in a jail.
Just get out of my mouth.
No, my teeth.
No.
No, my teeth, but
Just
let
like
me tell you. Take out teeth and put in teeth on everything. Because when you put in the teeth, they are the mistake of the teeth.
So the teeth and put it in and show them say have teeth. Show them say have teeth.
When you scare them, oh God.
Put in the teeth.
No.
Put in the teeth.
Do I look?
And show them say have teeth.
No,
Show them
Put in the teeth, mommy.
no teeth.
They don't show them into the say have teeth.
You could have eat something. Scare me the five. The fun is scare me. But think that. I can transform you. I can transform you.
You have teeth?
I like it.
Ah!
Sometimes it feels better. You can't just wear it every day, so.
Why?
Sometimes you feel uncomfortable. You know what I'm wearing?
Yeah.
At 33,000 for my pair of teeth.